Now, very important part. So now we need to be very careful. There are three things has to be followed here. What are the preconditions? They will ask you, it's a GL account chapter, how to create general ledgers. What are the preconditions? They will ask you, what are the preconditions to create a GL master? Company code, chart of account, field status groups, GL account groups, retain earning. If at all, if you are not created the previous five, these five things in a previous chapter, you will not be able to create a GL entry. You need to understand what are the preconditions. The preconditions are company code, chart of account, field status group, GL account groups, retain earnings. What is the transaction code? The transaction code is FS00. FS00 is the transaction code. FS00 is the transaction code. FS00 is the transaction code. You do not know. What is your company code? L
99.
99. Okay, so this is not your company code. AL80 is coming. So let it be, because we know that we haven't created any GL account so far. For information, need to understand what is this. Create the symbols if you want. Otherwise, go through my recording. Create means you are going to create. There will be no new entries for information. Specs is for display. I'm showing you that. And change, if you want to change any GL account information, change it and change company code. You, after creating one GL account, you can change the company code. If you know that you have created at least one GL account in your company code, you can directly change the company code. These four are very, very important. Create, display, change, and change company code. Okay, let's go and understand one more thing, concept. Let's go and understand the one more concept is, you might have heard this about a GL account groups I created. Asset, liability, income, and expense. For that, I give 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh. This numbers will come into picture with digit 6. That is important today to close it. Now, you remember only 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 for asset, 2 for liability, income, 3 for income, expense 4. These 4 things you understand, and then GL account can be started at any point. Now, you need to understand one more thing. There are headings have given green, control, data, and create bank interest. I have a look on this, back on this. Type description, control data, create bank interest. And these are the subheadings. Under this, under type description, these 4. Then under this control data, these 3 important, and create bank interest. So we'll start with, whenever we are doing like this, we have to see this and automatically you have to see the settings. So that is what I've created. Let's see now income. Let's go with creation of income. What is the number start from income? What is the number start for income?
3 lakhs.
3, yes, 3 lakhs. If you want, you can put 3 lakhs or 3 lakh 1 or whatever. In company, we put from 3 lakhs only. Here I put 3 lakh 100. So 6-digit number, 3 plus 5 digit. So 6 digits are there. AL99. Correct. AL99. Easy way I'll teach you. AL99. So right side you will find this AL99. Left side still 80. Because it is not ours, it is a previous guys whoever practiced. Now under type and description, you need to understand here. Under type and description, account group, income. Account group is income. Say account group. See, there are 4 groups I created. If I put assets, it will not take. See, it shows you 1. If I showed expense, it shows you 4. If you liability, no. See how it is related to the chapters, previous chapter, income. Income is what? Profit and loss or balance sheet. It should be profit and loss. X sales. Sales. See, income, balance sheet or profit and loss, short text, long text. Long text means a full form, sales account. So first page is over. Click on control data, because why? In control data it comes. NA. Reconciliation account for account type, NM is not applicable. Reconciliation account for account type, NA, not applicable. Line item display, sort key, line item display, line item ticket. And sort key for sort key, 001 posting date 001 001. Go to create, just tab field status group, press F4 and put G001 and save it. When you save, a left hand side is it will expand or it will vanish. Just have a look. See, did you see it expand? Because in AL80 also 300 is repeating, but that is fine. That's the reason it got expand. Now you know that you created at least one GL account. Go and change the company code AL 99. See was came. Now if you want to view it, click on the specs, and if I view this, you want to change any change information, you want to change it, then click on the pen. See, it is allows you, and save it. Save like that. Got it? Now second one, you can't repeat the number.
No.
300, 200. Easy. First page will be very easy now. Income, profit and loss, sales account, sales, rent paid, rent paid. Sorry, not rent paid. Sales, rent received. All received, right? All the GL account you can create it. Rent received. Go to the second page. Line item, sort key 001. Go to the create bank interest, G001. Got it? Clear? Clear? You got it? N number of items can be created. Now, same procedure.
Yes, sir.
Same procedure.
Yes,
But receivable item, follow this method. Now let's see the expense item. Any expense item for that matter. How to create expense chart form. $400 expense. 4 start for expense, correct? If I put income, what happens now? It gives you error. See this expense, profit and loss, purchase, control data, line item, 001. G001. Purchase. If there's anything, name changes or whatever, you can do this and immediately go here and change the names if you want. Okay, otherwise nothing will happen. Now one more I'll create. You can't repeat the number. See, for example, if you repeat the number, what happens? Already being in the same company code, you can't repeat the number. And 400, 200. Say I'm giving the difference of 100. In company, they won't create 4 lakh, 4 lakh 1, 4 lakh 2, 4 lakh 3, 4 lakh 4. Like that, they'll come. Got it? Expense, balance sheet. What is the purchase or rent paid? Rent paid, salary paid, discount paid, what all the paid, wages, everything. Got it? Easy, right? Easiest. Create bank interest. G. If you know this, that is done. Now, understood all profit and loss item? How to create any profit and loss item, any difference, any. I create only two items. Any item, profit and loss. What we have, profit and loss and balance sheet. That's it, items, right? Profit and loss item. Understood? Anything? Any doubts? Any doubts?
Yeah, no, sir.
Okay, right. So let's go. So you understood when you create two, it's only this will change now. Only this will change. What will change? Only this. The rest of remains same. Correct? This you are identifying. discount received or whatever received, here rent paid, salary paid, wages paid, all the payment items will come into the picture. Now, let us understand. We'll go to the balance sheet item. Just for a balance sheet item, we'll go for it. Now, let us understand fixed assets. I don't want fixed cash will go. We'll go to the cash. Any cash item like cash in hand, cash at bank, cash in hand, cash at bank, or ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, all cash or a bank. How to follow? Let us understand that. That is what we'll do it. How to follow this cash or a bank item, how to follow this cash or a bank. Let us go for it. Let us go for it. So you know that it comes under assets, 100. All cash and bank, where it comes under balance sheet, under assets. Correct? Assets, balance sheet. ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank. Data, first page remains same. There is nothing difference. First page remains same. Second page is also same. Line item 001. There is 01. Only in the third page, here field status groups will change to G005, bank or a cash. G00. Instead of G001, we put G005. That is there in the notes. And save. Save. But when we save, it will ask you, because of the cash, it is asking one word. There's a possibility one word. Balance in local currency. It will ask you. You get a warning. Just have a look. I'm not picking here, but a warning will come. If you want, you can see. Keep balance sheet accounts in local currency only. So what you can do is, you continue, change it. If you want it, balance in local currency under control data and save it if you want. That's it. Now, one more I'll create. 100, 200. Understand? Cash in hand, assets, balance sheet, assets, balance sheet, cash. Asset balance sheet. What is that? Asset balance sheet and cash. Cash in hand, cash at bank, whatever. Cash. Control data. Line item 001. If you want to directly, you can put this balance sheet as local currency if you want, and G005. Clear? Guys, clear? All right. Please practice. Now looks easy. Create some chart and which are the GL accounts you can create more and more. Create in your company codes and keep it ready. I have given you two examples. Profit and loss and balance sheet. Once you know your profit and loss, how to create, follow the same method. There is no difference at all. Follow same method. And I showed you only the cash items. Tomorrow's class, I need to show you the rest of the items, how to create this fixed assets, investment, sundry debtors, sundry creditors, and normal GL accounts of balance sheet items, so that you get it dividing the 2 days class, which I'm dividing. The reason behind is, if this is the trump card of the SAP FI, or anything you require a GL account, general ledgers. GL accounts are very important. Looks easy. While practicing, you might get confused. Please come back to me. Understand that the 1, 2, 3, 4 concept, what I said, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand how to go to this page, of FS00, and what are the things are required. These questions will come into the picture. I need to understand. Tomorrow I'll create those and I'll show you in the back end how it will be stored in the table level to complete the chapter. Clear? Yes. So that we will be completing the 3rd chapter by this Friday. Okay, right? Perfect. Because still we are in the foundation class, just for information. We are in the foundation class still. All right.
Yeah, done.
What is that? Hello.
We said okay, sir.
Yeah. So we'll catch it tomorrow and complete the rest of the chapter. And this 3 chapters by Friday we should complete. Now tomorrow is a Friday. We'll complete this. And done for it, so that you can practice Saturday, Sunday fully till here. And then after that, one chapter, one day which runs. When
Okay.
customers like that, one day.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello.
I can hear you.
Can I theory notes, sir?
Can you go through my recordings?
Yeah. See,
For a GL account, what is the theory is there, man?
I'm
What
not
is GL? Why
getting
GL is
his
done like that?
voice.
A voice. I'm not getting a voice. Hello.
Sir, can I get theory notes? I'm asking theory, sir.
Sir,
Is there any theory for this?
I'm telling you the questions. If you are joining late, I can't tell you. I have already given what are the questions will come now. Can I say you what is sales account? Do you want me to tell what is sales account? Let me know what is this. Let me know. Should I tell you what is sales account?
Yes.
Tell me.
Yeah.
What theory is here in this? There's nothing theory in this chapter.
Yeah. No, I
previous chapter
thought having some theory, sir. Okay.
Previous chapter I've given you the theory, correct? Because that was a very important here. Here when
Yeah.
very next come to the next chapter, I said these four are very important. These five. You already know the theory of this previously. Previous chapter. Can I write the theory here? You already know these 5 points. Simple. And then I asked you create some transaction code. But the transaction code there's no theory. Come on. Next one. I came to the directly profit and loss item. You know that you are a commerce graduate, if I'm not wrong. You know what is profit and loss, what is balance sheet.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Now, when I came to the profit and loss, I said sales, rent received, and gave some example of other things. Do you want me to explain what is sales account or what is rent received? Do you want to explain?
Yeah.
Please let me know. You should
No
be.
need, sir. No need, sir. Got it. But just I asked.
Yeah, no, I am understanding. I'm making understanding when you're saying theory, right? Wherever is required, please go through my recordings. I'm on track.
Yeah.
Go through my recordings.
Yeah, okay.
What questions I'm putting, pressurizing the questions. Please go to that questions. I do not know you were at the late or what, I do not know, but I'm just telling you, I have beginning of the class, I told you what are the putting pressurizing on some words. Those questions will come. Now you can make a chart. You can make a chart of profit and loss items and try to create those in your company code. There's nothing to explain here because it's a commerce, guys. There's nothing to explain what is sales, rent received. You know, rent is coming in. You received your rent, one paying.
Yes.
Rent paying. There's nothing explained because nobody is asking you those questions now in the interviews. Nobody is asking. But what are the things are required? You should be able to buy it now. For example, FS00, I'll give you an idea. They might ask you a question. 3-4 questions they'll ask you here. What is the transaction code? FS00. What is the table level? I'll be showing you tomorrow. First, to create a GLN2, what are the preconditions required? I already told you that precondition in the morning before during the class. And now there is one more question they can ask you. What are the information you enter while creating the GL account? We'll create in the GL account. We'll put the number as well as the company code present under type and description. We put that account group balance sheet, whether it's a balance sheet or profit and loss account, whether it's short text, long text, we enter under control data. We enter the reconciliation account if it is there, a line item and short key, and create bank interest, field status groups. We select and we save it. This question they can ask you a question. Out of that, they can't ask you. They might ask you one more thing. Is it a sales comes on the balance sheet to puzzle you or to the profit and loss account? That they may ask you. I cannot tell you those things because you are the expert for a commerce student. Clear?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Clear? Right.
Yeah, clear.
Right. Thank you. Thank you. So we'll see tomorrow. Any doubts in the GL and GL chapter, please let me know. Go to the specific theory. You don't have to worry. Go to my recording. Please go through. By studying this only, 2-3 people already got a job this year. By studying only this, I'm not teaching anything else. This is a very specific, you learn this. And please go through my recording and please practice also. That's very, very important. You practice and tell me, then I'll come to know. If you want, I'll take the interview. But if you are not practicing, what happens, your structure is very clear. If you practice once, you will not be able to success. Practice at least 10 times, 20 times, because based on that, if you know the screen, you will be able to talk on the screen. One time practice, it will not work out. Just for information, okay? So we'll see you tomorrow with the rest of the topics of this fixed assets, other assets, items, what has to be done it. And if there is any doubt, please come back to me tomorrow's class. Okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bathroom was